Welcome to part 4 of the ReGenX Generator demonstration. In part 4 we have reconnected our prime mover. We'll be using the ReGenX Generator as a ReGenX generator. We will not be operating it in motor mode in this point, in this part. We have 2 ReGenX generator coils in the prototype that we're using, and we will be charging 2 12-volt EV batteries, and we will be showing the battery voltage for each set here, and then the current, the DC current flowing from the ReGenX generator coil. Recharging the battery, and again, in regenerative acceleration mode, what you will see is when current flows to the batteries and the batteries begin to charge, we will be in regenerative acceleration mode. The speed of the system will increase. The input power required to be delivered by the prime mover will decrease. And so what we'll do is initially we will show regenerative acceleration above the critical minimum operating frequency for the ReGenX coils, and then we will show the system in regenerative braking mode below the critical minimum frequency. The ReGenX coil allows for motor operation in an EV. It offers regenerative acceleration in motor mode in an electric vehicle. It offers regenerative acceleration in generator mode in an EV, and it also offers regenerative braking in an EV. So basically, regenerative acceleration or regenerative braking, some form of battery regeneration is available during 100% of the EV operation with the ReGenX motor generator. Okay, so let's fire this up here. Right now, and I'm going to place the ReGenX generator onto load with the 2 coils. So 1.7 amps going to these batteries. This is our idle speed. 1.7 amps to the first set of batteries. And 1.6 to the second set. And we're in regenerative acceleration mode. The more current delivered to the EV's batteries, the greater the system speed and the greater the reduction in prime mover input. We'll load again. System speed is 3,406 RPM. Regenerative acceleration mode, system speed is 3,420 RPM, and we are charging our EV's batteries. We're going to put it into regenerative braking mode at about 2,200 RPM, which is below the critical minimum operating speed for the coil, and you'll see regenerative braking. So again, the ReGen-X coil, the ReGen-X motor can operate the system as a pulsed DC stepper motor, providing EV regenerative acceleration in motor mode. It can operate as a regenerative acceleration generator, providing EV regenerative acceleration in generator mode above the critical minimum frequency for the coil, which can be altered, but in this case it's about 3,000 RPM. And the ReGen-X coil can also operate as a conventional regenerative braking coil in an EV, producing battery recharge while simultaneously decelerating the EV. And the next video, I'll just quickly show the evolution of the ReGen-X coils.